What happens when a president declares a trade war against the whole world? Stick around to find out. You'll see what happened to my portfolio today. Welcome back to Disabled Investor Channel. I'm Patrick, a disabled investor. I have low vision, and I'm on a mission to grow my registered disability savings plan to $1 million. I'm sharing my journey and my market moves, the good and the bad, along the way, so that you can avoid making the mistakes that I've made and make better choices with your own money. This is not financial advice. I'm not an advisor. I'm just sharing what's happened with my portfolio in the hopes that it might help other people do better with theirs. Today, I ended the day down significantly, well, sort of significantly, down from where I started about $127,000 to end the day at $123,500, just about. And really all it had to do with was Liberation Day 2.0, because Trump has brought in tariffs against the whole world. My country, Canada, being one of them at 35%, and other countries around the world getting, tariffs that are causing a little frustration with the market. But I think the biggest thing that affected the market today was the report of job numbers being significantly lower than was expected. There were 73,000 new jobs created in July, I believe, and there was revisions to previous numbers so bad that President Trump decided he better fire the person in charge of the Bureau of Labor Statistics. So, if you give me bad news, I'm going to fire you. It seems to be the message. I mean, it's like the emperor's new clothes. Tell him what he wants to hear, or you're gone. Anyways, I'm trying to remain open-minded and neutral with respect to Trump. My portfolio started doing better until this Liberation Day bullshit, but it is what it is. In terms of what I did today, I sold one holding that I had for HMAX because I held it long enough to get the dividend for the month. And I picked up some more shares of Bitcoin Income Strategy ETF, about 80 shares worth today, because the price dropped about 8-9% today, and it's going to pay a 77-cent dividend per share, according to what I read, for the month, which is pretty incredible considering the share price is only $20.50 I bought it for today. So getting a 77-cent dividend on that just, blows me away. Shouldn't buy it for the dividend, but I'm holding it for a while, so I'm going to recover my losses that way. And what else can I say? It was kind of one of those days when I wanted to take advantage of the turmoil, and was kind of paralyzed with not knowing what to do, so I just bought some more of an existing holding, and that's how I ended the day. Dividends will be coming on the 7th, and it's a good day. Anyways, that's what happened to me today. Tell me, what happened to your portfolio? Anything good, bad, ugly, otherwise? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.